How to fix Facebook code not received in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager right here and then go to apps here in the top, and here you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Just go to Facebook right here, click on it, click on storage, and then click on clear data and go back, click on the notifications management and make sure that the allow notifications is enabled, and then go back again, go to permissions and make sure also to enable those options right here. Go back, click on force stop, and then all what you have to do, the last step, is restart your phone and then reopen Facebook and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later.